Hello everybody and welcome back to day 14 of Everyday October. And this is the look that I am showing you around today. So obviously I have done two pumpkin spice sort of themed videos already, but they were both eye looks, and today I really wanted to focus on the lips and lipstick and creating something just a little bit different. I feel like lipstick is such a big part of autumnal makeup for me. It's definitely something that I embrace more in autumn, so I wanted to create this look. It's obviously just a very simple makeup look, very simple skin, nothing really on the eyes other than a lot of mascara, and then there's 3-4 steps to the lips, so I'm going to show you through all of that. So if you want to see all of the products that I'm using and how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So this is going to be like a super simple makeup, like everything is going to be really simple, and then there's just going to be a few little extra steps when we come to the lips. So I'm starting with the NYX Born to Glow Naturally Radiant foundation. This is one of my all-time favorites. If you have dry skin, this is such a fantastic foundation, and I'm going to use a sponge with this. I have this in the shade Light, yes, 05 Light, and I'm going to use a sponge, and I'm just going to start to even everything out a little bit. I want everything to still look really natural, to still look really soft and glowy, not completely covered, not completely flawless, just nice and soft. And I'd actually forgotten how good of a colour match that is for me. Good for me. Getting a foundation that actually matches your skin tone. What a strange idea, eh? So you can see it still looks soft, it still looks natural, it's glowy, but it's not too like dewy or anything, or like it's not glittery. It's just really nice and soft. Really like that one. So going in with my favourite concealer of all time, the one that you will get bored of me using, the Stretch Concealer. The name escaped me then. And I'm just going to highlight down the centre of the face and cover over those eye bags. If you're thinking, oh Millie, you look tired, I've posted more than a month's worth of videos already this month, and I'm not even halfway through the month yet. But I'm having fun, and I hope you are as well. I hope you're enjoying the craziness that I have completely brought upon myself. And if you were thinking, you were wearing that jumper earlier on this week. Yes, I was. I have very few jumpers that actually keep me warm, and this is one of them, okay? So yes, I will be wearing this a lot. So for bronzer, I'm going to be using the Revolution Cream Ultra Cream Bronzer in Light, and I'm going to go cautiously because I always use too much, and I don't want anything too bronzy or anything on the skin. I just want the lips and like all of the detail that we're going to be doing on the lips, I want that to be the focal point. I don't want to do anything too crazy on the skin or on the eyes. So I'm basically just doing like my everyday routine, using a few different products obviously, but just doing my everyday routine, and then when we get to the lips, that's where the interest is. I'm just going to set all of that down with the Hydra Matte setting powder before it gets a chance to crease. I just want a little bit of that. It's not too mattifying, this powder. It's just really soft. I love this powder with every foundation that I've tried it with. I think I've probably tried it with every foundation that I own by this point, and there isn't one where I think, wouldn't use that again. This powder is just fantastic, and I just picked it up on a whim. Isn't that like the strangest thing, like the products that you really like overthink about and like read loads of reviews about and stuff like that, and then the powder that I love the most now is one that I just saw in Superdrug once and thought, yeah, that sounds like a bit of me. For blush, I'm going in with the Kiko Longwear Hydra Blush in 03 Fairy Pink. One of my favourite blushes, and again this is like a matte finish. So I'm just going to warm up and give a bit of a flush to the back of the cheeks. And I'm almost like blending that into that cream contour bronzer that we put on, because I'm not going to put a powder bronzer on. I'm just going to quickly do my brows. This is the Body Collection Eyebrow Definer Pencil in dark brown, and then I also have my e.l.f. Wow Brow, so I'll be right back when I've got some brows on my head. Okay, so that's the brows on. I'm just going to put a little bit of that cream bronzer sort of across the whole eyelid area, just so that there's a bit of like colour and a little bit of something, just so that you can't see like the redness and like the veins and things across my eyelids more than anything. And also I like to have a little bit of warmth near my eyes, just to make my eyes look more blue, but I don't want anything really. But I do enjoy having that little bit of like monochromatic moment where I've got that on the face and I also have it on the eyes, but it's nothing really, but just one of those little steps that I like to do. So I'm going to really build up some lashes with the e.l.f. Big Mood. So I'm just going to layer this up like crazy and really get a lot of thickness and volume on the lashes. So that is the mascara on, and honestly this is the best mascara. If you haven't tried the e.l.f. Big Mood, you absolutely have to. Anyway, I have just tapped over the lips with my concealer brush, and now I'm going to go into the star of the show. So obviously for like a regular lip look you would use one lip product, maybe two. You maybe use like a lip liner and then a lipstick, but because this is the star of the show, I'm going in with three today. So I'm starting with a lip liner. This is the Barry M lip liner in Mulberry, and I don't know if they sell this anymore. Any sort of brown toned dark lip liner would work for this. This is just one that I had in my collection. So I'm going to overline the lips slightly and sort of fill in the outer corners a little bit. So that is the slightly darker lip line, and you can see how I've like squiggled in a little bit on the outer corners, just so that the orange has something to blend into. Going in, of course, with the L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature in I Achieve, and I'm just going to put this all over. So that is just the lipstick put straight on. I'm going to not talk whilst I do this, just sort of redefine the outer edges with the lip liner again. And then I'm like smooshing my lips together to blend everything in, rather than trying to go in with a brush to like mix things together. I'm just using the pressure. So that has obviously created an ombre, just those two products together. The lip liner is one colour, the lipstick is another, and they're blended together. And although that does look pretty, I do need an extra step. So I'm going in with this lipstick, which is a Revolution Pro New Neutrals matte lipstick in the shade Cashmere. And I'm just going to tap this just over the centre. And again, just pressing my lips together to make sure that's all blended, and then just going back over with the orange liquid lipstick just to make sure I don't lose the intensity of the orange. And that is the look done. I think I just want a little bit more lip liner. Yes, I love that. Let me know what you think. I don't think I've ever used like a purpley brownie toned lip liner with this orange lipstick, but I love how that's turned out. I think think I might just gonna put a little bit of concealer in the middle of the lips. Is this gonna ruin it? No, I like that. I think that's just lightened it a little bit, made it a little bit more obvious that that is an ombre. Let me know what you think. If this is the sort of like lip look that you would wear, and let me know. This is a very Millie look. This is such a like staple look for me, like barely nothing else, and then something more interesting on the lips. So let me know what you think. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, I am uploading every single day this month. We are already nearly halfway through, so there's loads of videos to see that I've already done, and there's also lots more coming. So if you want to see more from me, you can subscribe down below and you'll get a little notification every time I post a new video. But until next time, thank you so much for watching. Bye!